Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Windows 11 lagging and slow problems in just 5 minutes guys. I will be just taking you 5 minutes and after that you will find your own self that your Windows 11 lagging problem has been fixed and even the performance has been boosted all the time guys. Just go and right click on start menu and go to settings. You just want to go to privacy and security over here guys. After that go to Windows permission. Over here you need to go to general. In here you need to disable all of these guys. This is unwanted things only, don't be panic for disabling it. And you need to disable speech. Go to speech and disable it guys, and go to inking typing personalization. You need to turn it off also, and go to backside and go diagnostic feedback. Go inside and disable it guys, and like this. After that go to activities history and you need to disable it guys. After that go to search permission. You need to click on moderate, filter adult image and videos but not text from my web results. You need to click on moderate, and after that you need to disable all of these down here. Microsoft account, work or school account, history and more settings. You need to disable all of these and go back guys again. And after that activities history, search permissions already changed. On going to searching windows, click on it, and after that you click on classic guys. Here no changes about it. You just want to disable it. This power setting when in texting, you want to disable it guys. If their computer you have enabled, you need to disable it guys. After that go back guys, go back and scroll down. App permission in only one, you need to disable all of this. Location, in location services you need to disable all of these guys. Why means you don't need this. That's it. And after that go to personalization over here left side and go to colors guys, colors, and you want to transparency effect. This effect is not wanted for you guys. Windows and surfaces appears translucent. This is no need of this. This is not worth for it. Close, you need to disable it, and after that close out of here guys. Now we are going to see disable all of the startup tabs. Before that going to that and go to search menu and type sysdm dot cpl dot cpl. In control panel it will open guys. You need to go to hardware, not advanced tab over here guys, advanced. After that you to performance tab. Here you need to select settings. In here you need to select, let Windows choose what are the best for my computer. Just for best preference appearance, you need to adjust this. Adjust for best performance, you need to select this, and you need to select apply guys, and okay. Now your performance will be boosted. After that you need to get startups very fast booting time. You get lots of time to appear window that will be fasting, I'm going to do that. Right click on the taskbar and go to task manager. Here you need to go to startup apps. Here you need to disable all of this, like all of third party application. You need to disable all of the third party application like Steam or this Microsoft. Like this, right click on it and just disable it, guys. And Microsoft Teams, and just you need to do it like that. And don't do VM tools st like this tools on your computer. Don't do that. You need to right click on third party application only. That's is unnecessary needed for your start time. You just need to disable that only, guys. Don't disable VM tools like that. System needed for this, guys. This is needed for system. Don't disable that. And security, you need to don't disable the security also. Whatever you needed, you need to enable it. Whatever you don't need it, all of these you need to disable it. After that, go close out of, go to search menu and type control panel. Click on category and go to programs, uninstall a program. Uninstall a program you don't want use for long times, guys. If for example I'm using Chrome, I'm not using this Microsoft Firefox website, guys, so you can uninstall. This is unwanted for your computer for a long time. Go and uninstall it. For example, I'm telling that just right click and uninstall it, or click select it and click uninstall. If you have downloaded so many apps or so many softwares, if you not used for long period of time, you need to uninstall it, guys. That's why your computer will be neat and clean. That will be get faster day by day. That's it, guys. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you guys like it. Give me a like and subscribe, guys. Thank you.